In this video, I want to introduce two additional properties of scroll bars, which it is large change and small change. If I run this code, allow me to run my macro. If I click on this arrow, it's a small change and slowly one by one changing. And if I click here on the free space, this is a large change, which by default both are 1. It is very useful. For example, on the word, you might didn't pay attention what is this one. The standard why it is large, but if I create multiple page, it is getting smaller and smaller. It depends on your operating system and your configuration. For example, here, each scroll bar size is about half of page. And if I click here, each almost line is scrolling. You could do that for your scroll bars. If I select and set the large change, for example, maybe 15, and set the small change to 5. Now, if I start running the code and click here, every time 5 steps going forward. And if I click here, it is going 15 steps forward. If you want to see the result, I could change it to form caption to see. But as you realize, scrolling here, it is not affecting, but dragging here, it is working. Because the events are different. If I double click on my scroll bar, this is a scroll by dragging. But here, we have actually change. If I copy the same code, right click copy and paste, and run the code again, now you will see the result. So keep in your mind clicking on this arrows or empty space of scroll bar, it's inside of the change event, and dragging one, it is a scroll event. And to see the result, I could set the form caption, let's say user form 1.caption equal to scrollbar 1 dot value. And now you will see here it is freely, but clicking allow me to start from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, you see here. And by clicking from here on empty space of scroll bar, every step it is 15.